EAO, electronic anodic oxidation. Here is a concept related to electronic anodic oxidation for demoisturizer, rust and corrosion protection. Using by electronic anodic oxidation as a method to prevent rust, corrosion and air demoisturizing. Electronic corrosion protection. Electronic corrosion protection involves using electrical or electronic systems to inhibit or mitigate corrosion on metal surfaces. These systems typically modify the electrochemical reactions that cause corrosion, aiming to reduce or prevent the corrosion process altogether. The oxidation layer acts as a protective barrier against further corrosion, demoisturizing by isolating the metal along with surrounding environment from the saltish corrosive environment and demoisturized. One common method involves imposing a potential difference between the metal surface and an electrode to control the flow of electrons and ions, thereby influencing the corrosion reactions. Electronic anodic oxidation formation. Electronic anodic oxidation is a process that involves applying impressive current to a metal object, or transmit an air which causes the metal's surface to undergo oxidation, lose electrons, and form an electronegative layer. This anodic polarization layer can provide protection against further corrosion by acting as a barrier between the metal and the surrounding environment. The application of the electronic anodic potential induces oxidation of the metal surface and its surrounding environment, resulting in the formation of an oxidation layer in surrounding environment. Integration of electronic anodic oxidation concepts. In the context of our description, EAO through electronic anodic oxidation might involve using controlled electronic systems to induce anodic polarization on metal surfaces and its surrounding environment. By doing so, you could encourage the formation of protective oxide layers that inhibit rust and corrosion along with demotorization. This approach might include electronic system. Designing an electronic system that can apply impressive current to the metal surface and transmit the anodic polarization in air 40 square meters. Potential control. The electronic system would adjust the potential voltage applied to the metal and surrounding environment, ensuring that it reaches the anodic region where oxidation occurs. How EAO work? EAO work by drawing in moist air from the surrounding environment, emitting the anodic polarization in air that's discharging the overcrowded positive molecules. Human benefits of EAO. Mold prevention. High humidity levels can lead to mold growth, which can be detrimental to indoor air quality and the health of occupants. Allergy and asthma relief. AEO can help reduce allergens like dust mites and mold spores, which can alleviate allergies and asthma symptoms. Relax from tiredness. Active, fresh and healthy feelings. Odor reduction. Excess humidity can lead to musty odors in buildings, which EAO can help eliminate. EAO preservation of residential building materials. Electronic anodic oxidation. EAO is a device used to reduce and control moisture and humidity levels within a building by removing excess moisture from the air. High humidity levels or SU air can lead to various issues such as mold growth, musty odors, and potential damage to building materials. Demoisturizer help maintain a more comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Here's some information about electronic anodic oxidation for buildings. EAO can protect all types of Mattel structures, building Mattel structure, building materials, all electrical and electronic items, furniture, mattress, carpets, wall paint, wallpaper, floor, tiles, floor mats, Mattel pipes, from damage caused by excess moisture. EADO commercial and industrial applications. In addition to residential use, demoisturizer are commonly used in commercial and industrial settings where precise humidity control is essential, such as electronics circuit area, electronics and electrical switching rooms, electronic and electrical control rooms, computer room, food processing facilities, manufacturing plants, storage, warehouses, stock room, automobiles, car, SUV, Jeep, van, bus, truck luggage, aircraft luggage, automotive electronic circuit area, aircraft electronic circuit area, tank electronic circuit area, helicopters electronic circuit area. EAO coverage. The size of the EAO should be chosen based on the 40 square footage of the area and the low humidity level you want to achieve. EAO placement. EAO should be placed in areas with high humidity, such as basements, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. They can also be used in larger spaces like living rooms or commercial areas. EAO installation for automotive. Fix the module at suitable place and connect the battery. EAO installation for residential. Fix the module in the room and laying the copper pads at different place. Connect the power. EAO installation for commercial. Need to know required of coverage area. Each module cover 40 square feet, then you can calculate required area length x width x height. EAO maintenance. Regular maintenance is important to ensure the EAO functions effectively. EAO energy efficiency. 1-2 VDC can supply by 220 AC adapter, 12 volt 30 amps battery 12 VDC solar panel. 0.23 mA current consumption. Red still LED for power. Blue flash LED for working. EAO integration. EAO can be integrated into building automation systems for centralized control and monitoring.